Alright guys, so let me say welcome back to the vlog, but it's the very same night of the last vlog. Like, we were here contemplating whether we were gonna leave or stay or whatever, but obviously I'm still on the same couch, so of course we're gonna stay. But here the thing now, we are go on party. We're going to a party, so here you got me in pink or whatever I'm wearing. I'm not trying to dress up or whatever. And Judah.
Babe!
it's over there with her. Over there with her top or whatever. So yeah, and so it's pretty much like a pool party.
We better get lit. Dono V is gonna play. Yeah.
Exactly. I forgot to say that. Remember, hit up my friend Dono V in the last vlog. He gave his information, you know, really good DJ and stuff. And I'm not just saying that to say it. You guys heard him mixing a little bit. So we're gonna go over there. He's gonna play a little bit impromptu, and yeah. Just another extra vlog for you guys. I know you guys like watching videos. I'm like that too. I used to watch a lot of vlogs, so from me to you.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say. Come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Yeah, so everybody out. We're getting ready to go to the event and stuff. So everybody check in real quick. We're gonna handle some business real quick, guys. We're gonna put it up. Oh god damn, they turned the light off. Oh.
Yeah, I got you, babe. I got you.
I'm back. I'm back like a snack, baby.
Ah!
Anyway, guys, we're gonna show you this event, and hopefully it's really nice. You see me? Like a regular Jamaican event, not like no uptown type of thing.
Party,
See that? It's just right there where the lights are blinking. That's where we're going, but we need to go to the ATM first. All right, see you there. Come on, stand.
You must know.
The boss, yes? Yeah.
The money.
What's in the trunk? My kind of art for me still, but we reach at the event, you don't know. We're there. Go on, check in. Now I'm just talking to the vlog. Pretty much. And the DJ about to roll up there, see me? Reggae at night time, all night we're ready out. Check in. Reggae in the morning, reggae in the evening, reggae at night time.
Alright, take the big up a 17 tonight, man. I swear, time. You know the thing said. You're about to select that check in, you know everything alright. Big up who check in from Shirley. So those are the reason part of the party right now. Want people just rock to the bar, you know your thing going on, don't be as coming out of the kitchen, they just set speed. Whether the money in the left pocket, the right pocket, or the back pocket, or the top pocket, just rock to the bar and just do that thing, you know your thing go. Shell them couple cranes, couple quarts, yes, you know, you want to say something?
Time man, what you talking about? Ready? Ready, I'm time man, what the fuck shit up?
Oh. Yeah, I thought, alright, ready. Yeah, I thought.
Yo.
Dono V.
Yes, baby.
full like patek. Man empty them pocket, right predict them attic. Alright, little bit in the comic. The drum man float like there's no gravity. Any man where you snap, make sure you're something where come out of the box. You ain't have no fish where you see no where that. Me now put blue jaws in a me big snacks. Which territories must be one in the box? You miss a vegetarian, no brain cell collapse. So you know you're put the tail of the axe. But every night when you want your woman to relax, you have to come out. You feel a make you cocky drop. Just cut off each toe, to be back in your sack. You feel max out, but up like an axe. Without that fear, feel it as you should be silly question you ask me. Please say,
That's our favorite.
Check it to the pool, you know. We're checking right, that's alright, that's the thing then. Ladies, come on! Wine up my body, me a wine up my body. Wine up my body, me a wine up my body. Wine up my body, me a wine up my body. Body so strong, wine up my body. Wine up my body, me a wine up my body. Wine up my body, me a wine up my body. Wine up my body, me a wine up my body. Get up! Come let me ride like a road.
Like the crew there now. Go on easy, as I mentioned, Dono V, I go and mash up the tables. You see me after? Yes, I go and chill back. Be boss himself for yourself.
When you're right there, I'm a beating like a saber. I'm trying to make me feel good.
Take two. So yes, Dono. So big up yourself. You were just having fun using me. Listen to me and that big. You understand, baby? Don't hear that again. No motherfucker that in your fucking set. Don't be doing that. Like, and it wasn't even perfect, brother. Yo, none of man can scratch in a dog. If you didn't even scratch, why you times, brother? He missed it like 6 times. And he might be like him over doing that. Scratching like a bite. I say my behave. I don't know the f*** him I do it for. Beep. Extra man.
Damn.
Beep.
So it's like, for those who didn't really know that the guy was scratching in Dono's set, it's like when someone has an itch on their back and this nigga comes to scratch your back, and you're like, nigga, why you scratching my back? You know what I'm saying?
Good for the vlog, though. Good for the vlog.
Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. Remember these things, guys. Love, nature, adaptation, and remember, always keep it linked.
Subscribe!
I use a condom.
Every time! Okay?
Say what?
No lie.